welcome back to my channel. It's Everything E here, and if you're new stopping by, hello and welcome. Today I will be talking about why I've been gone from YouTube and like what I've been doing and everything. So basically, let's see, where should I start? The last time I was on YouTube was when I made, I think, my Valentines Day look for you guys. I was supposed to do a vlog for my birthday and I get ready with me, but I was too busy. I had so much going on my birthday weekend and it was just kind of hectic. So I didn't really have time to stop and make the video. I really wanted to though. We stayed at the DoubleTree downtown by the, not downtown, like more towards downtown, towards the, by the Galleria. So yeah, I think that's right. I don't know if that's right, whatever. I'm not from Houston, but yeah, my hotel is by the Galleria. So yeah, that was fun. Everything was rushed that weekend. That night, on that Friday night, I had a dinner because my birthday was on a Tuesday, so I celebrated the weekend after. On that Friday, I had a dinner, and then I got the hotel and stuff, and we went to the, where did we go? We was trying to go to clubs. We could not find a club to go to. I don't know why. And then we just ended up going to a hookah lounge. It was supposed to be parties that night. I don't know what happened. So we just ended up going to a hookah lounge, had fun there. Then we went home next morning. Well, not home, but to the hotel. And the next morning we woke up late because we stayed out late. So we woke up late and I had a photo shoot. So we went to this place and took pictures. The pictures are really nice. I'll probably insert some of them like here. So yeah, that was nice. Then after that we went to the mall, we went to the Galleria and ate and stuff. Then we went to main events. Main event was fun because, you know, we bowled and played laser tag. We didn't play none of the arcade games, but yeah, we did bowling and laser tag. And we got that for the free, thanks to my nigga Tristan. But yeah, we got that for free basically. So yeah, that was fun. And after that we went to Whataburger, and then we went back to the hotel. Then the next day, I don't know, Sunday, we went out to eat breakfast in the morning. Then we went to the movies. I forgot what we saw. I cannot remember. Yeah, I don't remember what we saw. I don't remember. So maybe if it'll come to me later, but yeah, I don't remember. We saw a movie that had just came out, so yeah, that was cool. Then we went home. That was fun, I guess. But yeah, so I've just been so busy overall. Like so far, that was so busy. Then right after that, I had spring break, and I went out of town. I went to Six Flags. And then I had really fun at Six Flags, and me and my boyfriend, we had got on like every ride, every like high thrill and medium thrill ride. So yeah, we got on those. Came back after spring break. I think I was just trying to like get my work done and everything. Like I was trying to get back on track with school because like this end of the year is coming, and like I was trying to get everything done. Talk to my little teachers that was getting on my nerves, but you know, I was trying to get all my work done so I could pass and graduate. So yeah, I did that. That was it. What took all my time. I was trying to get ready for graduation and make sure I have everything done that I was on, so I was on track. And by the way, I did graduate. I graduated this past weekend. You know, class of 2018, you know. So yeah, I graduated, and now that I'm done with school and graduation and all of that, got out the way. Now I have more time to make videos and talk to you guys. So hopefully I get the time to make videos. I shouldn't have anything else to do, so yeah, because I've been bored for the last 2 days. Yeah, since I've been out of school. I probably won't be doing that much this summer. I don't know, maybe. Okay, so I wanted to add a little more. I don't know. I'm trying to think what else I had. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys about prom. So prom, that was like the most stressful thing in these past few months. Like seriously, like I was trying to find a job before prom so I can have at least a little bit of money saved up for that. And I found a job. I was working at Forever 21 for like a month and a half maybe. I was working there, but I couldn't I couldn't do it because it was just snow. Like, it was just snow. And I couldn't do it. I really tried though, like, oh, my bad, hold on. Okay, so yeah, I really tried working at Forever 21. Like, it was cool, you know. I was learning everything, getting the hang of it. Majority of it was just the people, like the managers and stuff, of why I'm not working there right now. Because when I applied there, you know, I had put on my application the hours that I'm available. I think I put like 10 to 10. So 10 in the morning, 10 to 10 at night. And I put that on there. And like, okay, so I had my interview. The interview went well. She didn't ask me to do nothing too, like, out of the way. Like, she was asking me simple questions about myself and college. And yeah, it went really pretty smoothly. She called me the same day. And told me I had orientation on the weekend. That weekend she called me, a few days later she called me and told me orientation was on the weekend. So yeah, went to orientation, that was cool, watched some videos, answered questions, I started training the next week. It was pretty easy. You know, working there is pretty easy. I mean, it's like, it's not really, well, not easy, but it's like simple. Like, it's not really nothing that you need really explained to you. I mean, somebody tell you like, oh, you need to do this, do that, and then that's it. Like, there's not no explanation. Like, so yeah, it was just a lot of things that made me want to stop working there. Just little things that they were doing. So like I told you guys, my availability was 10 to 10, right? And I was still in school, so it's like, when I'm 10 to 10, that was like the latest I can stay. 10 o'clock is the latest I can stay. Because then I still have to drive home and stuff. And then I guess they were expecting me to stay like until everyone's finished. And they're expecting me to stay like late as hell. Like, one night I told them I couldn't stay and I left. And then the next day I come back and all the other coworkers are saying, well, they made them stay till like 2 o'clock in the morning. Oh no, it couldn't have been me. It could not have been me. I would have left. So yeah, they was there and they was dealing with all of that, and it wouldn't have been me. The store was a mess. I think it was a Saturday night or Sunday. I don't remember. But I know it was a mess, and I was not going to stay there. I did my section. I had dressing room and I had lingerie, and I did my little section. I picked up everything for the most part, and I left. But then I came back in the morning that next day, and I was trying to talk to one of the managers, you know, tell her, I was like, that I can't stay past the time that I told her, and I told her 10 on my application, and then she was like, that's not, we hired you based on your availability and stuff. And I'm like, okay, yeah, you're right. Like, I told you I could stay till 10, right? So I should be leaving at 10. But she was like, oh, that's gonna be a problem. A problem? It might be a problem for you. And I'm like, y'all said y'all was gonna be flexible, so like, how y'all gonna say that? Well, not y'all, well, she said that I can't change my ability and it's gonna be a problem and stuff. I was just like, okay, no. And then that was strike one. Then I was working one day And I came in, you know, I'm still new. I was only like 1-2 weeks in, probably 2 weeks in working. And then I came in, it was like I had a shift 12 to 5. I came in at 12. And this man gonna tell me that I got the whole upstairs by myself. I was looking at him like, are you crazy? So I mean, I was doing it, but like it was just a lot. Like, I mean, I guess I was just working to be working, you know, putting some clothes up that I can, putting some go backs that I can, but I can't do like all of that at once. And even on a regular day when I'm going to work, they give me clearance, active, maybe plus. But I like to be in the dressing room. I feel like that was easier, and that's the place you want to be if you want to work there. I mean, I guess it's up to everybody's preference if you would like to work there or not. I don't know, but it wasn't for me. So yeah, but I did get my little money. Oh yeah, then Strike 3. Oh yeah, let me tell you, Strike 3. They messed up my money. Like, my check was messed up, cause you know, like I was getting paid $9. No, that's sales associate. So I was getting paid $9, and my whole check was off. I was working almost every day since I started, and my check was like 100 something, and I was like, what the hell? Like, no. And I still haven't got my money. I gotta go back up there and get it. So yeah, that was just a whole bunch of stuff I was dealing with them. And I was trying to get money for prom. I did end up having like just enough money for prom. I got my dress, I got my shoes, my jewelry, all that. Got my hair done, nails done. I had just enough money. Like, my mom helped me a little bit, and yeah. So that was good, and I will be putting pictures. I'll put some pictures somewhere in here, somewhere, probably like now. Yeah, but yeah, so then there was prom, and then I graduated. Yeah, so yeah, overall everything was just so busy. Like, my birthday, spring break, and spring break to prom, that time flew past so fast. But that was March, April, and prom was on the first weekend of May. So like that was like kind of 2 months, kind of, but that went by so fast. Time was flying by. I got my dress late and everything. Like, I got everything late. Like, I was not prepared at all. So I was just throwing stuff together, but good, it all came together. And prom weekend, I rented a car. Me and my friends and my boyfriend, we all split on a car, and I drove there. Prom, we went to a party, came back, and for the weekend we went to Six Flags in San Antonio. That was fun. We rode the Wonder Woman. That's like the new ride there. So we rode that. Well, not everybody, but me, my boyfriend, and one of my friends, we rode it. And yeah, that was cool. And I do want to go back to Six Flags because it was fun. That was my second time going to that Six Flags. I've been to Six Flags in Georgia. I used to live like near it. So yeah, that was cool. But I will be keeping you guys updated. And I will be making more videos. But if you guys do have any videos that you would like to see, let me know. DM me on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, or email me, or just comment below. So just tell me how you guys are doing down in the comment section if you haven't already. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button to this video, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.